Hi guys, so good afternoon and welcome back to my magical world. It's me Frostbite, your favorite celebrity here in the Philippines. It's 2:55 in the afternoon right now and today is Friday, May 31st of the year 2024. Yan, so thank God it's Friday. Medyo nagtatampo lang ako ng slight sa mga humans. Tatampo ko guys, ba yan? I got some news, but syempre, it's none of my business. So whatever it is, syempre, I always wish everyone, a good life and a very satisfactory and a fulfilled life. But anyways, let's not talk about that kasi ayoko na siyang pag-usapan. Anyways, I haven't sobrang nagde-declutter pa ako ng mga things ko and all of that. So, hindi ko na naman mahanap yung libro. So, pawala-wala siya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung nasa na naman siya sa bahay. I was supposed to film last night and the other day siguro. Tapos, hindi ko na naman siya mahanap. Kaya segue muna tayo ng other topic. Okay lang naman siguro yun, no? Diba? Sometimes, diba? So, here are some things. Wag na natin numberan. So, some things you should know about your boyfriend and everyone should know about their partner. So, not only more like siguro partnership. Okay? So, whether you are a brand new couple or you've been together for years, you probably don't know everything about each other just yet. 'Di ba? So, hindi mo naman talaga malalaman yung ugali ng ng partner mo. As long as hindi kayo nakatira sa isang bubong and you're like living the life together. 'Di ba? So, wag kayong guys. Wag kayong pala desisyon. Kasi, personally, ako, guys, naniwala kayo sa akin. Siguro I can attest. I am the witness. I can say siguro mga 75% to 80% na to 80% ng aking Facebook friends are not really happy in their actual and married life, but their partner don't know about that. So, 'di ba? So, sino nga ba yung mga Facebook friends ko? So, marami kasing ganun, guys. They act so perfect. So as if that is their reality. But in reality, guys, hindi talaga. Sometimes they are extremely disgusted about their partner, but their partner don't know yet. Okay, so hindi na tayo makikialam sa kanilang business. Anyways, it's none of our business. Basta, I'm just saying that it's like that. So imagine, right? So it's really a good thing to really know your partner well enough. If their love is enough for you to stay together. I hope naman, 'di ba? Kasi syempre kung kasal na kayo, 'di ba? What's the point? So, but if you have a let's proceed direct to the point. First is what their hopes for this relationship are. This is potentially the most important question to ask your boyfriend or girlfriend or any potential lover. So, not every relationship is going to end in marriage, and that's totally fine. What's not fine is going in with certain expectation and 3 months later having your heart broken because you never discussed what you want. So, if you are like just going with the flow, so make sure you are ready for all the fucking consequences after that kasi wala naman kayong commitment or you have no hold on each other. 'Di ba? But what is really paper nowadays? 'Di ba? Yung conscious and yung polarity ng aking sinasabi, it's hard to grasp. But I hope you understand what I'm saying, okay? So, dig deep. Here are some questions that you can probably ask. Are you interested in a long-term relationship? Is this something you see as more casual or serious? So, do you have any restrictions or boundaries you want to set up while we are together? So, those are some questions that you can ask your partner or your lover. Next is what their favorite hobbies are. So when you're starting to get to know someone, this topic is pretty easy breezy to get to know, to get through. Learning your partner's hobbies are a great way to get a feel for how compatible you are. Hopefully, you'll share at least a couple that you can do together. So, marami din naman yung magkaiba talaga sila ng gusto, but they have like a spark on many things. Hindi naman necessarily na yung, you have something, you have a bond together, but syempre, parang add-on to when you want to have a long-term relationship, kasi it strengthens your bond kasi you are doing that together. It's your hobbies together, so hindi kayo napipilitan kasi it's something that you want together. Okay, so ano siya, hindi siya it doesn't feel obligatory, ganun ba yung term? So ganun, basta you know what I'm saying. So of course you shouldn't restrict yourself. No one needs to share everything with their partner. Would you even want that? So, skip na natin yun, guys. Next is what they do to relax. Ito yung favorite ko. Whether you are at the start of a new relationship or getting ready to take the next step, one thing to keep in mind is your partner's favorite way to relax. Maybe they are into bubble bath or need a weekend away with friends every now and then. Know this will help you support them during a stressful time. Kasi, yung partnership, hindi lang, it's not all about you or all about that one person. Sometimes you really have to give them some space and time. Huwag naman yung masyadong space and time, but the fire sign don't want that. So, bahala kayo guys. How would you handle that? Okay? Okay. Next is what is their love language. So, there are many love languages, and fortunately, I have all of those. Kayo guys, di ko alam. Ha? May pa-quiz dito, pero hindi naman yun talaga. Basta I'm just gonna tell you the 5 love language are words of affirmation, gifts, acts of service, quality time, and physical touch. So your partner and you don't necessarily need to have some same love language, diba? Pero I hope you know what your partners need. Kasi nga, diba, it's a partnership. So, kailangan it takes 2 to tango. You know what I'm saying? So, yan. Next na tayo, guys. We're not rushing naman, but kasi medyo sige na nga, we're rushing guys kasi may many things pa akong gagawin, and I wanted to be at peace and relax this weekend kasi sobrang sobrang pagod na ako guys, yung aking schedule, hindi ko na kinakaya guys, hindi siya pang human. Next is what their eating and drinking preferences are. So sobrang importante nito, I think, diba, kasi we have to take food every day. Kaya make sure you consider these things. It is always good to know what you and your partner both like so that you can best work together to find common ground or promise if you don't quite agree. This isn't a make or break step in your relationship, but it is an important step to making your partner feel valued. 'Di ba? Pag alam mo talaga yung mga gusto niya, like food, sabi nila, ano nga yun, yung the only chuchu with a man is through their stomach. Something ganon na saying. Basta alam nyo na yun, guys. Being able to pick some they like up without having to ask or knowing how they like their coffee. So, may certain preferences yung partner nyo, how they like it, just the way it is. In the morning are the perfect little ways to show that you care. Diba? So, especially kung mahilig yung partner nyo sa coffee, like myself, I want a certain way that it was put together. Okay? Plus, getting to know this early on is going to make picking Friday night takeout way easier in the future. So, iba-iba guys. But, ako naman kasi flexible. So, basta hindi ko alam guys. Next is what their allergies or medical needs. Yan, yung mga medical attention naman na need yung partner mo. Syempre, kung bawal naman siya ng shrimp, 'di ba? Tapos i-shrimp mo, 'di ba? Gusto mo na bang mamatay yung partner mo? So, make sure to know their paano ba to? Idiosyncrasies ba yung term doon? Hindi. Hindi guys. Wait lang. Basta, yung mga ano nila, the things that are safe for them and not safe, syempre, you have to take consideration of that. Kasi kung if you don't want more trouble, as a partner, as a team, 'di ba? Okay, next is what their relationship with their family and friends is like. So, ayoko na to i-discuss, guys. Basta, okay na yon siguro. Okay na yung few things na yon. I'm just going to chika you guys. Okay, so meron na tayo. At least we talk about something. Kasi hindi ko mahanap yung book, guys. So, for now, let's just put it this way. So, thank you guys for listening. Thank you for helping me make this world a better place for all of us and for the future generation. I think I'm gonna run later kasi sobrang ano ko. My mind is little bit cloudy. So, I need some clarity on too many things. And syempre, yung sa career ko, most of the time, it's career I'm just worried about. Not really worried, but syempre, it's June na, it's decision time, and July, yan, mga crucial month. But, again, I always get what I want, so I'm not really worried about anything right now. So, lahat naman na gagawa ko so far. It's just that sometimes, as a fire sign, I'm so impatient. So, I want things now and right in front of me. So, something ganun. Minsan lang ganun. Pag naisip ko, sometimes I wanted to scream if it's not yet in front of me. So, hindi naman yun pagiging bossy type, but it's just the way, it's just our nature. So, yan. So far, so good naman. I hope. Basta guys, syempre yung mga viewers ko, sana masaya kayo sa inyong mga piniling life choices. Hindi kayo magsisisi at the end of the day. Kasi, yun. Tsaka pahalagahan nyo yung mga friends nyo. If there are a few people you can count on, make sure you are there for them. Like, really there for them. Hindi lang yung basta sabi. Okay? Kasi guys, personally, I don't really believe in words. So, all my people are action-oriented. So, it's just me. So, ayan. Okay na. Dami kong kuda. Sige na guys. Siguro later, mag-film tayo. Pero, I need to run. I'm gonna run talaga later to clear up my headspace. Kasi, gaano na naman. Alam mo yun? Sige na guys. Have a wonderful weekend and please be safe wherever you are in the world. Also, trust yourself more and more every day. Kasi, your heart space will know. You have to know what you fucking want in this life in order to get it. You have to know. Okay? Hindi siya pwedeng sabihin sa'yo ng iba. They are there to advise you. But at the end of the day, it is your fucking life. So, you gotta have to make choices out of your own good. Got it? I'll see you again.